In this video, I'll be demonstrating how to add a ground plane to a PCB using EasyEDA. The schematic capture and PCB routing are already completed, and the focus here is purely on placing and configuring the ground copper plane correctly. A ground plane is a large area of copper connected to the ground net of the circuit. Instead of using multiple thin ground tracks, a ground plane provides a low impedance return path for signals. It helps reduce noise, improve signal integrity, and minimize EMI, especially in high-speed or sensitive circuits. Ground planes also make PCB routing cleaner and improve overall electrical stability of the design. Now let us get into actually applying the ground plane. Here I have a schematic of an op-amp series regulator for a 12-volt output. So this is already complete, and I have also completed the PCB for this. So if you want to see how I came from the schematic to the PCB, have a look at my other video on this. Now getting back to the topic, to apply a ground plane to this, it is actually quite simple. You go to the PCB tools and select on this tool called the copper area. Make sure that you have selected the pencil icon on the layer, the top layer or the bottom layer or whatever layer that you want to apply the ground plane to. So I want to apply the ground plane first to the top layer. So I have it selected on top layer, which is a red layer in EasyEDA. Next, I go to this icon, this tool called copper area, and click on it. And then you have to select what sort of plane that you want to actually apply. So here I want to apply a ground plane, which is what this video is about. So I say ground plane and click OK. Next is just a matter of outlining the area that you want the ground plane to be applied to. So I want this applied to the entire PCB. So I start by clicking this edge. It's not really important whether you go in a really rectangular pattern or anything. It's just that you want to cover the entire area of the PCB if that's what the requirement is. So I click on this edge, then this. So as you can see now, I have completely surrounded the entire outline of the PCB, meaning that the ground plane will be applied to the entire PCB. So once that is done, simply right click. So when I right click, and tada, there you have the ground plane. This red plane is what we call the ground plane. It's red because we have applied it on the top layer. In addition to that, you can see here that there are certain areas here where the ground plane has not been applied. The reason for that is that there is no way this area is too small for the ground plane to go through. Or it can also be because there is no way for a ground connection to be made to this area. So with that, I'll also just demonstrate how we can do it on the bottom layer. So for that, you select bottom layer here, and then it's just the same thing. You click on the copper area tool, ground, OK, and then you simply surround it like this. Keep in mind, it's just not very important to make it neat unless you're doing it on something inside the area, inside the PCB. If you just want the entire PCB to be covered by the ground plane, just surround the entire thing and then right click. As you can see, the entire the tracers were completely on the top layer. Because of that, the entire bottom layer has become a ground plane, which is shown by this blue colored surface on the bottom layer. So as you can see, the advantage here is that previously on the top layer, the ground plane did not cover these areas. However, since we applied the bottom layer also, a ground plane to the bottom layer also, these were covered by doing that. And that's it for adding a ground plane in EasyEDA. This small step makes a big difference in noise reduction and overall PCB performance. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more PCB design tutorials.